Hey guys, so today, guess it is, we got the new iPhone 13. Well, not new. We got basically we got the iPhone 13 mini, which last time we got the iPhone 11, which as you heard before, I said 13, but it was 11. I didn't say it correctly. I didn't notice it till now. But yeah. This, we are going to be opening the 13. So let's get right into it. And if you're asking what that was, I'm recording on the phone on my 11, which was the one we unboxed. And like a thing popped up. So let's pull this thing. Next one. Ooh, that was good. That was perfect. Oh, jeez. So as you can see, there is the cable. There is designed in Apple in California thing. I'm gonna get that later. And here is the phone. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. 3, 2, 1. See this? There's the Apple logo. This is so small. This is so small. Oh my gosh. This is small. Okay, there we go. Ooh, look. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm gonna go set this up, and I'm going to be back with it all set up.